No! It's a squeezy yum goodie. And it just looks so tasty. It's a delicious sugar loaf. I'm gonna take a sniff. Oh, it's so refreshing. Wow, look how much it squishes too. It's a slow riser. Oh my squeezy goodness. I wonder how it got so squishy. I just love it. Here's a note. I hope sprinkles are inside. Biggie. Looks like he brought the scissors. It's just so magical. Well, comment down below what's inside this delicious sugar loaf. I really do hope that there's some sprinkles. Okay, let's reveal. It's foam. Magical. I'm gonna take a bite of it. Oh, it didn't taste too good. I don't recommend that. It's so neat. Just look at it. I'm just waiting for the sprinkles though. I can't seem to find them. Still no sprinkles. Okay, let's look for sprinkles in this piece. It looks kind of like angel food cake. Well, I'm sorry, Biggie. There's no sprinkles inside, but there you go. You can play with your squishy now. I mean, it does still squish. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching.